Welcome all to the London Point Blank Open Day. My name is Luke, and today really is an opportunity for all of you to find out more about Point Blank, take a look around our studio facilities, and just get a bit of an experience of what it's like to be a Point Blank student.
My name's Linton Bennett and I'm module leader for Foundation Music Composition. I also teach music composition and songwriting at Point Blank. Everything that I've learned in the music industry is being taught here.
By being part of Point Blank, you'll meet people that will be the future artist managers, the next big producers, the next big vocalists, DJs, etc. So you're beginning to network with the people that are going to really help the trajectory of your career.
Let's get cracking with the tour. Cool, so follow me, we'll go into Studio 4.